Oh, snap.
What size is it?
8.
8?
Yeah.
Hey, right here.
I got him on a board. Got it? Hey, Lana, you got this.
Ifskateco gonna fuck it up. You know what the fuck going on? Oh shit.
Run that new deck. Wow.
Oh, sorry, we're in your shop.
Sorry, no, sorry for the foul language over here. I'm just kidding. We're just.
I was just playing.
That was super sick.
Bro, new deck, dude. Hey, my bad for making a snap for some soda, but
Nah, it's all good.
you gotta drink it now. You gotta drink it now. Here,
This
that's you. That's
very
8-0.
well.
Thank you.
Test it. Let me know what's up with it.
Oh yeah. Appreciate it.
Yeah, bro.
Super good.
You gonna snap this one out or you gonna keep it?
Right here.
Snap it or not? What you gotta snap on?
I'm done with
What
it.
you gonna snap on? You gonna do it like that or you gonna do it like?
I'm gonna do it like a man, right?